Never forget where you come from. That's what she always told me. My grandmother came to this country as an immigrant. She worked in a sweatshop making guitar strings. She worked her entire life to provide for her family. Along the way, she also raised 4 kids, including my dad, who at 15 was expected to get his own job to help my grandmother pay the rent and put food on the table. My story, like my father's, starts at 15, when I got my first job. Evenings after school, weekends, and all summer long, I worked, fixing leaky toilets, making sandwiches at a deli, and bussing tables. After college, I worked on Capitol Hill, then as a political consultant and an account supervisor at a global marketing firm. Then in 2008, my husband and I were offered the rare opportunity to realize a dream, to live overseas and travel the world. I'm proud to bring this lifetime of experience and world of knowledge to bear on behalf of my clients. They make me an adept hand at anticipating and overcoming obstacles, a formidable advocate and a steadfast negotiator. I understand that my own success is born out of the success of my clients, so my commitment to them as individuals and my dedication to achieving their goals is unwavering. This is where I come from. It's not a place, and you can't find it on a map. It's a set of values and principles. It's a belief in the value and benefit of hard work, a commitment to never betray the trust and faith that my clients put in me, and the knowledge that a reputation for integrity and honesty is the most valuable asset any of us will ever possess. Every day I strive to live up to these ideals. I do it by representing a diverse group of clients, people like my grandmother, my father, and people just like you. I do it by focusing on building strong relationships, not by breaking records. I do it through my dedication and commitment to making Washington, the city I've chosen to call home, even better. And I do it by striving each and every day to help someone else find their place in the world. I've been fortunate enough to have found mine. Now let me help you find yours.